Hey everyone, welcome back to IMH Studio. This is a picture of our salon on the outside, and I'm going to show you how I prep for a client. Tomorrow I have a client coming. She's going to be getting some genius wefts installed. We're going to do the invisible weft method. I did a previous video on what invisible weft method is, so feel free to look back through our videos to see that. But first thing I do is just go through the hair, make sure there's no defects, make sure the color is good. In our consult I do video and photos of your natural hair, and then I love to custom color the hair extensions. I know you can buy hair extensions already colored, but for me, when you do custom color, you can pick up on those nuances because our natural hair is never really one flat shade. It has several different tones to it, and so with custom coloring, I can actually bring out those tones so you get a flawless look. So this hair is actually body wave hair, but I straighten it out because it's easier for me to install when it's straight. And also it gives me a chance to, again, just check the hair, make sure it's going to be ready for install. The next step is I prepare my table. So first, sanitize. I'm just wiping that table down, and then you'll see me prepare. You can see all the tools I'm going to be using on this client, basically. So once I get it all wiped down, then I put down one of our gorgeous little towels. And on top of this towel, I will stack all the tools that I need. So first off is my hair extension hanger. It helps me put the pieces of hair extensions there as I'm working, as well as some Velcro hair grippers. These things are amazing. I cut them in half because they're just easier to deal with, but it gets all those little hairs out of the way. And if you do hair extensions, working with a very clean parted space is super important for the install and also for the comfort of the client. Put me some little claw clips there, my comb for parting. I seem to be very particular where I put my comb. And then because I'm doing invisible weft, we use beads to lay the base. So I need my beads, my loop, and also a clamp to clamp those beads down. Next is my thread. Now I was looking at I have a lot of different thread colors first off, but I was looking at my thread colors and I wasn't sure if this was the right color for her or not. So I'm kind of comparing between these two shades. I looked back at my consult video and I decided to go with this shade. It looks a little bit more yellow than it actually is. It's not that yellow, but there you go. I use nylon thread because it's super thin and also very, very sturdy too. So very nice. Next is to prepare my needles. So I have a lot of needles. That is probably half, not even half of my stock, but this should be enough needles if I thread them to complete her install. I believe we're going to do anywhere between 2 to 3 rows of invisible weft. She's got shorter, thinner, finer hair, so that should be enough. And then I'm going to go ahead and string my beads on my loops so it can all be ready to go. So this is pretty much a simple setup of what I do in preparation for your appointment. Make sure to subscribe because in the next video I will show you how our install goes.